I wonder how this hairdryer works. There are two basic things to a hairdryer, and they are heat and air. The hairdryer dries your hair by speeding up the evaporation of water from the hair surface. Basically, heat and air are pushed together and hot air is pushed through the funnel in one direction. The air comes out of the funnel hot is that before the air passes through the funnel, it passes through a hot heating coil. When you plug in the hairdryer and turn to the switch to on, current flow through the hairdryer. The circuit first supply power to the heating element. The current then makes the small electric motor spin, which turns the fan. The airflow generated by the fan is directed down the barrel of the hairdryer over and through the heating element. As the airflow over and through the heated element, the generated heat warms the air by forced convection. The hot air streams out the end of the barrel.